And trust me, the Rocket Boys doesn't do justice with what actually happened. Firstly, I want to thank Value of Words and Max City for having given us this platform. Uh, when you talk about the way it conceptualized and how it came about, this lesson itself comes from a classroom lesson. The lesson that we took almost 8 years back, and we were talking about India's role in the nuclear disarmament program. So it was a common paper that we were studying when we were doing our PhDs. And one fine day, our professor asked us to cover a story of one individual who we think has contributed to making India a nuclear power. So while doing our basic research, we actually were very ashamed of ourselves that we don't know these people. Who are these people except these famous people like Homi Bhabha or Setna or Vikram Sarabhai? There are many more which are still not in the book, but there is a list of people who are there. And we felt ashamed that we don't know about it and we are here to do PhDs. So that, that shame in us forced us to look at who are these people, the architects of India's nuclear program. And so we all just decided that we will go out in the field, meet people who are working with these individuals, interact with them, find out their stories, and bring it to life, share it with people who also deserve to know about it as much as we do. And trust me, the Rocket Boys doesn't do justice with what actually happened. It is more than what we see in the Rocket Boys. And I mean, I'm not discrediting the efforts of the directors and actors in it, but of course, this book will give you more into the lives of these individuals. Uh, Also, when you talked about in the introduction that people today know so much about the cricket team and the football team, and we may not know who are these people. So again, it comes back to this point that we must know, we must take pride in who are these people who got us on the nuclear club of the world. And so that's the inspiration behind writing this book or collecting these chapters.